Alex here with Tech Corner, here to talk to you about another way I use ChatGPT for my everyday life. So one of the ways I use it is for my YouTube content and creation for this channel, and ideas to come up with videos, descriptions, and all that. So instead of having to go in and create these descriptions, write these scripts and all that, I have ChatGPT do probably like 90% of the work, and then what I do is I go about tweaking them. So for example, I can create so I'm going to flip out of agent mode, but I'll explain that later on. But I could say, let's say, so I'm going to give it a prompt, and it's already, as you can see, it's already creating a whole entire script for me, step by step and all that, outlining it and everything. So this is pretty amazing. You can even ask it to create a script for you, like put this into a paragraph format if you want. Okay. So then what I can do is I can go from here and I can tweak it and I can modify it and kind of edit here in pieces in there. But the cool thing is it's done a lot of work for me, so I don't have to go and do a bunch of research. I can take what they kind of have as outlined and then modify it from there. Again, it's doing 90% of the work for me and saving me a boatload of time that I don't have to spend, and I can focus on other areas of my business. So if you enjoyed this video, feel free to throw a thumbs up. If you're interested in further content from this channel, feel free to subscribe and click that bell notification to receive alerts when new videos are posted. Thank you so much for watching.